Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Bitget without any fees. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Bitget application. Once you have logged into your Bitget account, after that you just need to simply tap on the assets tab at the bottom right corner, click on the spot at the top and you will find withdraw button. Simply tap on this withdraw, and after that in the search bar you have to search USDT and simply select USDT. In the withdrawal selection type, you just need to simply select the second option which says internal transfer. After tapping on internal transfer, here you will need to enter these three methods. For example, if you have another Bitget account email, you just simply enter the email. If you have mobile number, enter mobile number. But if you have Bitget user ID, so you can also use the Bitget user ID. For example, I have this Bitget user ID and I want to send $20 into this Bitget user ID. Now in order to send USDT from one Bitget account to another Bitget account, you just need to simply enter the Bitget user ID and after that enter the amount. And once you enter all these details, simply tap on the withdraw button at the bottom. After that, it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your funds from one Bitget account to another Bitget account without any fees. And that's how you can transfer USDT from Bitget to Bitget without any fees. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.